Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to make a dressing for coleslaw. This one's a little bit different in that it is made with sunflower seeds, the mayonnaise that goes into the coleslaw dressing. There are several of you, my lovely troopers, who cannot eat nuts, or especially you can't do cashews. And so I devised this, I came up with this so that you would be able to have coleslaw if you want to. There's a mayo, and then with the mayo comes a dressing for coleslaw. So it's really easy. You take a half of a cup of the sunflower seed mayo, put it into a bowl. You don't even need a mixer for this unless you want to mix it with a mixer. Not a mixer, but a blender. Get it all. Teaspoon and a half of lemon juice. And that pours out very nicely. 2 teaspoons of dry sweetener. I use xylitol. I really have never made this with a liquid sweetener, but I think you just need a sweetness in there. I think maple syrup, date paste, something like that would work just fine. This is 1/8 of a teaspoon of each black pepper and salt. I use Himalayan salt. And the last thing, which is really nice, it makes this dressing so superb, is it's 2 tablespoons. That would be too biting. 2 teaspoons of horseradish. Let's put that in, and here's the hard part. You just stir it up until all the ingredients are well mixed. You can do one of 2 things. I have a broccoli slaw, and I added extra. You can add extras to what you buy in the store. This is broccoli slaw that comes in a bag, and this is 2 cups of it. And I added extra shredded carrots, and I also added some radishes. So to this, I don't think you need all of this. I'm going to use a tablespoon at a time. I'm going to start with like 2. I don't really like coleslaw that's super sloppy or wet, super wet. So if you start with 3, stir that up and see how that looks. I'm going to put some more in. It's getting there. Might need all of it. I don't know. Before I taste the broccoli slaw with the dressing, I'll taste the dressing first. That's good. That's very good. I have used this just on a regular old salad. I didn't have any dressing that I had made, so I just used this. So I was going to plate it on some greens. As often as you can get greens, get some. If you can put this under a coleslaw with some greens underneath it, that would be great. And I would say about a cup serving is a good serving. Okay, so now we're going to taste the slaw, the broccoli slaw, which is indeed very good. That's the end of the video, is to make your coleslaw dressing with sunflower seed mayo, which is another video, okay? So until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a video is uploaded, you will get the notification. And don't forget to leave me some comments below. Don't forget to smile. It's 2022. Bye for now.